Introducing the Lisle 64100 Actuator Motor Wrench. This time-saving tool has a toothless, infinite ratchet and hinged handle design to make it easier to remove and replace fasteners on small electrical HVAC motors. The motors that control airflow into the vehicle are commonly found in confined areas underneath the vehicle dash. The driver can be flipped to switch from clockwise to counterclockwise drive. The tool can save multiple hours of labor, as in many cases the dash does not need to be completely disassembled to reach the fastener. The kit includes an 8mm socket and a 1/4" square drive adapter for use with 1/4" sockets and bit holders. The tool can also be used in other hard-to-reach applications. The length of the driver can also be adjusted and locked. The Lisle 64100 Actuator Motor Wrench.